Hey everybody, welcome to another MASC Minute. It's Jamie at shopmasc.com. So I'm going to talk to you today about some Way of Will products that we got in pretty recently. So Way of Will is an aromatherapy line that we sell, and I'm a big fan of aromatherapy. I really believe in the power of essential oils and the scent and how they can change your mood and whatnot. So they recently introduced some hand washes and some hand and body lotions that are 3 different scents. So the first one is an Invigorating wash and lotion. So these 2 here. So it contains sweet orange and LMI or LME. I'm not sure how to say that, to be honest. Yeah, that's what they look like. Nice packaging. Makes a good gift too, or you can just treat yourself. But so yeah, the wash lathers nicely. Doesn't dry the skin up because it contains lots of essential oils. The lotion itself, I'll show you the lotion in another one that's open. It's creamy but not greasy. Absorbs well into the skin. And they smell really good, and they're nice to use because they smell so good and they leave your skin feeling nice and fresh. So anyway, so the first one is Invigorating. It's got the sweet orange and LMI. It's kind of like a nice fresh citrusy uplifting kind of scent. The second pair is the calming one. So this one has hyssop and rose geranium, so it's sort of floral and woodsy at the same time. That's those guys there. And then last but not least is Balancing, if you're feeling a little imbalanced. This one has hoe wood and sweet marjoram. So the way that they describe this one is fresh floral. So yeah, and this is the tester for the lotion, so I'll show you what the lotion looks like. So it's on the creamier side, but I mean, that was a lot for my hand, but I'll rub it into my arm so you can sort of see. So yeah, it disappears pretty much right away. It doesn't leave any sort of white residue or anything like that. And now my arm smells really good. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice hand wash or hand and body lotion, then I definitely recommend checking out these, especially if you're into aromatherapy and essential oils. These are excellent. Check them out at shopmasc.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, come and see them in the shop. Thanks for listening.